LEGO Technic Ducati Panigale Set 42107 Review. Style, sophistication, performance. With breathtaking looks, this LEGO Technic 42107 Ducati Panigale V4R captures the spirit and design of the original. It's the first model motorcycle in LEGO Technic history to include a gearbox for exploring different speeds and techniques. Other amazing features include steering, front and rear suspension for realistic movement, plus front and rear disc brakes. Amazing details capture the spirit of Ducati. Ducati fans will appreciate the attention to detail in this amazing motorcycle replica. A kickstand, exhaust pipe, windshield, and dashboard add the little details that make this model toy so true to the full-size version. And of course, the classic red color scheme is sure to quicken the pulse of any Ducati fan. Build and learn with LEGO Technic model toys. As part of the LEGO Technic universe, this motorcycle model kit provides an immersive and rewarding building experience. With realistic features, it introduces builders to the world of engineering, as they discover how gear mechanisms work. A representation of the famous Ducati Panigale V4R to build, explore, and display. LEGO Technic fans and motorcycle enthusiasts will love this stunning building challenge. Build your own Ducati Panigale V4R to gain a unique insight into the features and functions that make up this iconic motorcycle. Also includes a 2-speed gearbox, a first for LEGO Technic motorcycles. Recreate the thrill of owning a Ducati Panigale V4R, with front and rear suspension for realistic model movement. The classic red color scheme brings the motorcycle to life, with true Italian flair. Looking for the best gifts for motorbike fans? This is a great choice. It's also a super challenge for LEGO Technic fans aged 10+ who will get a thrill from seeing how a motorcycle works. This eye-catching model, 42107, looks stunning on display. Its dimensions have been designed to give a true representation of the real-life model. Measures over 32 centimeters long, 16 centimeters high and 8 centimeters wide. No batteries are needed for this Ducati motorbike toy. Passion, imagination, and a desire to discover something new are all you need. It's easy to get started with this amazing LEGO set. Just open the box and you will find easy-to-follow instructions so building the Ducati toy motorcycle can begin straight away. LEGO Technic engineering toys are designed to provide an immersive and rewarding building experience, featuring realistic movement and mechanisms to help kids and adults explore the world of engineering. Quality is important. So, it's good to know LEGO building kits meet the highest industry standards, ensuring they connect easily every time. It's been that way since 1958. LEGO Technic trademark plastic model toys are put through their paces. Each one is thoroughly tested to make sure every building toy meets the highest global safety and quality standards. Celebrate the architectural diversity of London with this detailed LEGO brick model. The LEGO Architecture Skyline Collection offers models suitable for display in the home and office, and has been developed for all with an interest in travel, architectural culture, history, and design. Each set is scaled to give an accurate representation of the comparative size of each structure, with true-to-life color depiction. This set features the National Gallery, Nelson's Column, London Eye, Big Ben, the Elizabeth Tower, and Tower Bridge, and is finished with a decorative London nameplate. LEGO Architecture Interpretation of London features the National Gallery, Nelson's Column, London Eye, Big Ben, the Elizabeth Tower, and Tower Bridge. London's Thames River is represented by transparent base plate tiles. Tower Bridge opens to greet the incoming ship. The included booklet contains information about the designer, architecture, and history of each building, as well as historical facts about London and its architectural heritage. English language only. Other languages available for download at lego.com/architecture. Includes a 4x32 tiled base with a decorative London nameplate. Recreate the world's most beautiful cities with the LEGO Architecture Skyline Collection. LEGO Architecture celebrates the world of architecture through the medium of the LEGO brick, and is developed for all with an interest in travel, design, architecture, and history. This set includes over 460 LEGO pieces and offers an age-appropriate building experience for ages 12+. Measures over 15 centimeters high, 28 centimeters wide and 8 centimeters deep. Experience the unmistakable power and looks of the Lamborghini Chiron FKP37 as you become immersed in this LEGO Technic building kit, 42,115. With superb detailing, the model car is a faithful representation of the original Chiron FKP37 in eye-catching lime green with golden rims. The beauty is in the details. Authentic features include the 8-speed transmission, activated by the movable paddle gearshift, V12 engine with moving pistons, and 4-wheel drive. Use the steering wheel to position the car, then check out the front and rear suspension. Just like the full-size super sports car, this model car features classic scissor opening doors. Luxurious features. This buildable car set lets you enjoy quality downtime as you bring the beautiful Chiron FKP37 to life. Presented in a luxury box, it includes an exclusive coffee table quality book with building instructions, images, and behind-the-scenes interviews. Open the hood to discover your unique serial number and unlock special online content. Enjoy immersive building with this LEGO Technic Lamborghini Chiron FKP37 set, 42,115. Then explore the car's faithful features, including V12 engine with moving pistons, steering, and front and rear suspension. With an 8-speed sequential transmission, movable rear spoiler, opening front and rear hood, detailed disc brakes and golden rims, this LEGO Technic set brings you closer than ever to the real Lamborghini Chiron FKP37. Designed especially for super sports car fans, with superb detailing, this advanced LEGO Technic construction set comes with a decorative display plate and unique serial number to unlock exclusive online content. A rewarding building project for you, or a special birthday present or holiday gift for a loved one. This LEGO set is presented in exclusive luxury packaging and provides a stunning display piece to own and enjoy. In a vivid lime green color scheme, with golden rims and decorated elements, this 1:8 scale buildable model car measures over 13 centimeters high, 60 centimeters long and 25 centimeters wide. Powered by passion. No batteries are required for this LEGO Technic set, so you can get stuck into your immersive building project right away. Exclusive collector's booklet featuring comprehensive building instructions, images, and behind-the-scenes interviews from the two teams that worked on this project, the LEGO Group and Automobili Lamborghini. With elegant designs and realistic functions, LEGO Technic sets offer a rewarding build in models packed with impressive features. LEGO Technic sets meet the highest industry standards, which ensures the elements connect easily. LEGO Technic sets are thoroughly tested to make sure they meet the highest global safety and quality standards. with the LEGO Movie 2 70,820 LEGO Movie Maker building toy, featuring a movie stage, camera stand for your smartphone device and plenty of cool action props. The stage features a frame with sliding, adjustable arms at the top to hold inanimate props, characters, and accessory elements, a double-sided backdrop with alternative scenes, plus a platform with built-in sliders to move characters around. Attach the camera stand to any of the 3 special points on the stage for different angles and camera panning movements. The LEGO Movie 2 set also comes with action props like Emmett's escape buggy and Rex's Explorer, 3 minifigures, a mini doll figure, 4 brick-built figures and a raptor figure for creative play. Includes 9 the LEGO Movie 2 characters, 3 new for January 2019 the LEGO Movie 2 minifigures Emmett, Lucy, and Rex, a new for January 2019 Sweet Mayhem mini doll figure, 4 brick-built the LEGO Movie 2 figures Warrior Kitty, Star, Queen Whatever W.A. Nobby, in pile-of bricks form, and an alien invader and a raptor figure. The LEGO Movie 2 trademark toy features a movie stage, swiveling camera stand for your smartphone and action props. Movie stage features a frame with 2 sliding, adjustable arms at the top to hold inanimate props, characters, and accessory elements, a double-sided cardboard scene-setting backdrop with images of Apocalypseburg and Sistar System, plus a platform with 2 built-in sliders to move characters around the stage. 3 attachment points for the camera stand for camera panning movements and alternative angles, and 2 fence elements. Camera stand features a smartphone device holder. Action props include Emmett's escape buggy with a rotating minifigure cockpit, Rex's buildable Explorer, mini Sistar starship, mini Explorer and attachable transparent sticks to move characters and vehicles around. Combine Emmett's escape buggy with Warrior Kitty to create an escape buggy / Ultra Kitty combi model. Weapons include Lucy's crossbow, Rex's gun, and Sweet Mayhem's gun. Accessory elements include 2 extra minifigure heads for Emmett and Lucy with different facial expressions. Recreate fun-packed scenes from the LEGO Movie 2 with this awesome building set. Movie stage measures over 25 centimeters high, 16 centimeters wide and 28 centimeters deep. Camera stand measures over 14 centimeters high, 15 centimeters wide and 6 centimeters deep. Escape buggy measures over 5 centimeters high, 4 centimeters long and 4 centimeters wide. Rex's Explorer measures over 4 centimeters high, 7 centimeters long and 6 centimeters wide. Alien Invader stands over 10 centimeters tall. Love video games? Did you play Super Mario Bros. Back in the day? Or do you just enjoy a hands-on, creative activity in your spare time? If so, this nostalgic LEGO Nintendo Entertainment System trademark 71374 model kit is perfect for you. Authentic and interactive. The brick-built NES is packed with realistic details, including an opening slot for the game pack with a locking function and a controller with a connecting cable and plug. The console comes with a buildable retro TV, featuring a flat 8-bit Mario figure on the scrolling screen, plus an action brick to scan with Lego Mario, figure not included. Find in the Lego Super Mario Starter Course set, 71,360, so he reacts to the on-screen enemies, obstacles, and power UPS just like in the Super Mario Bros. Game. Creative fun. This unique set is part of an inspiring collection of Lego building sets for adults that make fabulous gifts for yourself and hobbyist friends who enjoy DIY challenges and proudly displaying their creations. Trigger nostalgic memories as you build this wonderfully detailed Lego brick Nintendo Entertainment System, 71,374, an interactive, 1980s style television displaying the classic Super Mario Bros. Game. The TV has a handle-operated scrolling screen, and if you scan the action brick by placing Lego Mario, figure not included, in the slot on top, he will react to the on-screen enemies, obstacles, and power UPS. Authentic details of the NES console are recreated in Lego style, including a controller and an opening slot for the buildable game pack with a realistic locking function to delight Super Mario Bros. Fans. Whether you were a NES gamer back in the day, a fan of retro stuff, or are just looking for an immersive, fun, creative DIY project to leave you feeling revitalized, this 2,646-piece model building kit is ideal for you. The buildable TV measures over 22.5 centimeters high, 23.5 centimeters wide, and 16 centimeters deep, and alongside the NES model makes a cool display item for your home or office. It also makes the best Lego gift for gamer friends. No batteries required. Combine this playset with the Lego registered Mario figure in the Lego Super Mario Adventures with Mario Starter Course, 71,360, to activate the TV's interactive features. Easy-to-follow instructions help you to build with confidence, even if you are a Lego registered newcomer. Also included is an illustrated booklet about the creation of the Nintendo Entertainment System trademark and classic NES games. This highly collectible building set for adults is part of a range of inspirational Lego registered model kits designed for you, the discerning hobbyist, as you look for your next immersive DIY project. Lego building bricks meet the highest industry standards, which ensures they are consistent, compatible, and connect and pull apart easily every time. It's been that way since 1958. Lego bricks and pieces are dropped, crushed, twisted, heated and rigorously analyzed to ensure that this unique Lego building set satisfies the highest safety and quality standards. LEGO City 60,273 Elite Police Driller Chase 5+ ages £17 and 99 pence August 2020. Kids who love toy vehicles, and fans of the hit LEGO City Adventures TV series, will adore this fun-packed LEGO City Elite Police Driller Chase 60,273 playset. Featuring an armored police car and a bank-busting mine driller, plus LEGO City TV characters Sam Grizzled and Crook Hacksaw Hank, non-stop action is guaranteed.